Hey guys, so today I have in some Aliexpress hair, and I know you guys are like, as a matter of fact, I really don't even know what you guys are thinking, because I know back in the day I said that I wasn't gonna do any more Aliexpress reviews just because of the backlash I was getting. But at the same time, I have a lot of people that were telling me like you should do more reviews on affordable hair companies, and the most affordable companies that you really can find are on Aliexpress. So I figured, you know, shit, I just tried once again. So the hair that I'm wearing is from Asteria hair. I will leave all of their information in the description box below. I am wearing a 14-inch lace closure, a free part lace closure at that, with 16, 18, and 20-inch Brazilian body wave bundles. I use all 3 bundles of the hair, and this is how long it is. To be honest, it's not the thickest hair that I've ever tried. It's not the thickest wig I've ever made. It's actually kind of thin, but when I say thin, it's like very natural. It kind of really passes off as a sew-in because of how flat it is, and it's not super thick, but I can live with it simply because it's not super long and it doesn't look super stringy. It's a layered look, and yeah, I like it. So I just started wearing the hair, so I don't really have too much to say about it, but I can say that this hair straightened beautifully. It feels like butter, literally. Like I'm just running my fingers through it and it just feels like buttery, silky smooth. Now I did wear this hair in its natural body wave state for the first 2 days of the after I made the wig, and the body wave texture was actually really nice. I wet it up a few times and it just gave like this really effortless beach wave kind of look. I wish I took pictures. I don't know if I did, but basically I'm going to see if this hair is going to revert back to its natural texture. The hair is in the natural 1B color, so I haven't dyed it or anything. As far as the lace closure, this is a side part. I placed the closure closer to the left side of the cap when I was making the wig. I did bleach the knots and I did customize my parting, and I added some baby hairs because what closure, okay? What closure? It just looks really good. So I'm very happy with the way that this wig turned out. I don't get any type of crazy shedding right now. Like I said, I just started wearing the hair, so I can't really solidify anything at the moment, but the hair has not been shedding at all. As far as tangles in the nape of my neck, I got a few tangles when it was in its natural state, but while it's straightened, I haven't been dealing with anything of that sort. Yeah, like it's just really shiny and like super flowy. I wish it was thicker. Don't get me wrong, I wish it was thicker just because I like thicker hair. But to be honest, I think it's pretty nice hair. I think it's really nice for the price. I will leave the prices for the actual specs of the hair that I have in the description box below. I'm just really trying to be more of a pioneer for people that are trying to get more affordable hair companies on the roster, because lately the hair companies I've been reviewing, a lot of you guys have been asking me to review something a little more affordable. So yeah, this is Asteria hair. Let's get up again. I did trim a little bit of the ends of the 20-inch bundle, just a little bit. Like I said, it's not the thickest, but it is pretty natural looking. I like it. So as of right now, that's all I have to say about the hair at this very moment. Now I do plan on curling this hair. I don't know if I'm gonna color it, maybe add some highlights, something like that, but curling it is gonna be for sure. Coloring, it's kind of so-and-so about that, but I am going to curl this hair, and maybe that's what the next video is going to be. Maybe me washing this hair, showing if it reverted back to its natural curl pattern, and then me curling the hair. I don't know if I'm going to use flat irons or wand curls. Whatever the case is, you guys are going to see in the next video about this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little informative initial review. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.